Hi guys, welcome to Homemade Food. Thank you for stopping by today. Today we are going to cook delicious, nutritious, aromatic, authentic, traditional and flavorful butter chicken. For detailed recipe, please stay with us. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The ingredients we need are boneless chicken 500 grams, fresh dairy cream, butter, oil, powdered spices, onion paste, tomato paste, whole spices, green chilies, lemon. Wash chicken properly and apply lemon juice and leave it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, wash chicken properly and place chicken in strainer. For marination, we need salt 1 teaspoon, ginger powder 1/4 teaspoon, garlic powder 1/4 teaspoon, chicken powder 1 tablespoon, black pepper powder 1/4 teaspoon, allspice powder 1/4 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1/2 teaspoon, red chili powder 1 teaspoon, homemade spice mix, orange yellow food color 2 to 3 drops, lemon juice 2 to 3 tablespoons. Mix well, laminate properly and refrigerate for half an hour. Heat up 4 tablespoons butter and 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Add marinated chicken and fry for 7 to 8 minutes on high flame so that all spices penetrate well in chicken and chicken gets tender. If chicken is still hard, add 1/4 cup lukewarm water or stock. Cover with lid and cook till chicken gets tender. Heat up oil. Fry whole spices, cinnamon stick 1, cloves 2 to 3, green cardamom 3 to 4, and green chili in 2 tablespoon butter and 2 tablespoon oil for 2 minutes. Add onion paste 100 to 150 grams, cover with lid for 1.5 to 2 minutes. Fry onion paste on medium to low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Add 1/4 cup lukewarm water. Add powder spices, ginger powder 1 pinch, garlic powder 1 pinch, chicken powder 1 teaspoon, salt half teaspoon, black pepper powder 1/4 teaspoon, red chili powder half teaspoon, allspice powder 1 pinch, homemade spice mix 1 pinch. Mix well and fry for 1.5 to 2 minutes on medium to low flame. Add on chicken stock cube and lemon juice 2 to 3 tablespoons. Mix well, fry for 2 minutes, cover with lid and cook for 4 to 5 minutes on medium flame. Remove lid. Add tomato paste 500 grams and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. Add 1/4 cup lukewarm water, cover with lid and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes on medium to low flame. Remove lid, discard whole spices. Set the flame on low. Add fresh dairy cream 100 to 150 grams. Mix well. Cover with lid and cook for 4 to 5 minutes on medium to low flame. Add 1 teaspoon sugar or honey. Cover with lid and cook for 1 minute. Add red food color 2 to 3 drops. Cover with lid and cook for 1 to 1.5 minutes on medium to low flame. Add fenugreek leaves, dried and crushed, 1/4 teaspoon. Add nuts, roughly crushed, 4 to 5 tablespoons. Add fresh cream, 3 to 4 tablespoons. Add butter, 100 to 150 grams. Mix well and dish out. Delicious, nutritious, aromatic, authentic, traditional, and flavorful butter chicken is ready to serve now. Enjoy and share with your family, friends, and people around you. Stay blessed and give us your feedback. We hope you will give it a try. We will see you in our next video. Take good care of yourself and people around you. Thanks for watching.